Let me show you the spoon theory. You've probably heard people say, I have a low spoons day, but you don't know what that means. Let me explain it. So the spoon theory is commenting on your lifestyle and the amount of energy that you naturally have. So I have a bunch of spoons here. This is my energy that I naturally wake up with. And every activity or chore throughout your day costs 1 spoon. So for example, getting up and getting dressed costs 1 spoon. Going to work or school, that costs a spoon. Going out to lunch with friends, that costs a spoon. Doing your laundry, that costs a spoon. Do you see where I'm going with this? Now, depending on your lifestyle, it takes different numbers of spoons for each person to get through the day. Say you're an average person, and you wake up with 8 spoons. I have 8 spoons right here. It costs you 6 spoons to get through the day. Getting dressed and ready in the morning, going to work or school, socializing with the people that you're around, having a meeting, a presentation, or a test, doing your household chores, and engaging in an extracurricular activity. But you started with 8 spoons, which means you have 2 left. You may save these 2 spoons so that you can be extra charged for the next day, or you might use them for something fun, like going out with your friends. So we just established that it takes you 6 spoons to get through your day. What if you only woke up with 3? This is a low spoons day. And people who are neurodivergent, have a chronic illness, or are disabled tend to have a lot of low spoons days. This is when the amount of things in your day takes up more spoons than you physically have. So now you have to prioritize. You only have 3. So you have to get up and get dressed for the day. That's 1. You have to go to work or school. That's 2. And you have to feed yourself and do other household chores. That's 3. This leaves no wiggle room. You weren't even able to get everything in your day done. You didn't have any time in your day to socialize, and you didn't have any time in your day to get yourself ready for the next day. And when you constantly have low spoons days and you can't keep up with life, then you start falling behind. You might even start reaching into the future and taking spoons from your future self. When you do this, you'll reach a point where you are completely burnt out and you don't have any spoons. So the term low spoons days means that you wake up and you physically don't have enough energy to get through everything that you need to do that day.